Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to install the app by City Next1 edition in mobile. So let's start. You can go to download this app on your mobile Steam, and you can download the app from GTA. So just go to search and just write GTA, um, and then when you do it, just go to search, and then you will find it all the options that you can download it, or some of them has prices, some of them doesn't have prices, so depend on what you want. But you can download here on the Steam. I recommend you Steam because it's a easy way to download, an official way to download the games without any problem, so I recommend you to do it. And when you download, you can start using it without any problem, guys. So I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumb up to this video.